Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest tech shifts happening in 2025. AI agents for smart home automation. If you live in the USA, chances are you've already seen how AI is changing daily life. But what's coming next is truly mind-blowing. Section 1. What are AI agents? AI agents are advanced digital assistants powered by artificial intelligence. Unlike regular voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, these new AI agents are proactive. That means they don't just respond to your commands. They can make decisions, automate routines, and even learn your habits to make your life easier. Section 2. Why AI in home automation is growing fast. In the USA, smart home adoption is skyrocketing. By 2025, more than 70% of American households are expected to use at least one AI-powered smart device. The reasons? Convenience, energy savings, and security. Imagine coming home after work, and your AI agent has already adjusted the lights, set the perfect temperature, and even prepared your favorite playlist. Section 3. Top 5 AI agents for USA homes. Now let's talk about the top 5 AI agents for smart homes in 2025. Number 1. Amazon Alexa Next Gen, AI Agent Edition. The new Alexa doesn't just listen, it understands context. It can manage your smart appliances, recommend schedules, and even automate grocery orders. Number 2. Google Gemini Home AI. Powered by Google's latest Gemini model, this AI agent can connect with almost every smart device in your home, handle complex questions, and provide personalized recommendations. Number 3. Apple HomePod with Siri AI 2.0. Apple's new AI system is designed for privacy and ecosystem integration. Perfect for those who love iPhones, iPads, and Macs. It turns your home into a seamless Apple hub. Number 4. Samsung SmartThings AI Agent. Great for smart TVs and appliances. This agent optimizes energy use, manages devices, and even predicts when your washing machine or fridge needs maintenance. Number 5. Tesla Optimus AI Home Version. Yes, Tesla isn't just about cars. Their Optimus AI is slowly entering homes, helping with automation, security, and even robotic assistance. Section 4. Future of AI agents. Looking ahead, AI agents will become like digital family members. They'll help with health monitoring, home security, and even financial planning. The USA is leading this revolution, and the next 5 years will completely transform how we live. So that's a quick look at the top 5 AI agents for smart homes in 2025. Which one would you want in your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more USA tech updates. See you in the next one.